Researchers at the Mohali-based Institute of Nanoscience and Technology have developed a nanodevice to improve vitamin D conversion in mushrooms. As vitamin D has been found to be equally crucial in fighting infections like COVID-19 as it is for strong bones, so vegetarian people suffering from vitamin D deficiency can greatly benefit from this innovative technology. Let us see how the technology works.
Vitamin D is important for strengthening the body's immune system. The coronavirus pandemic has further underscored the importance of a strong immune system and in turn the usefulness of vitamin D. Normally our body gets vitamin D from sunlight, but despite being a tropical country, many people have a deficiency. This causes a number of diseases besides reducing the immunity of the body. Apart from the vitamin pills, this deficiency can be overcome naturally by eating fish or meat, while the best source of vitamin D for vegetarians is mushrooms. Mushrooms are rich in ergosterol, a precursor of ergocalciferol, which is a type of vitamin D2. The conversion of ergosterol to ergocalciferol takes place in the presence of UV radiation from sunlight. However, because of the structure of the mushroom, sunlight does not reach its inner tissues, which can be a high source of vitamin D2. Now, Mohali-based Institute of Nanoscience and Technology of the Department of Science and Technology, Government of India, has developed a high-transforming nanodevice for healthy molecular photocorrection of mushrooms. This device will increase the amount of vitamin D2 in the inner tissues of the mushroom by converting the deep penetrating near-infrared rays into UV radiation.
There are one way of supplementing it is through eating meat. Okay. Other way is taking as a pills. Okay. So one more way is vegetarian way is taking a mushroom. Okay, mushroom is having ergosterol, which is a provitamin of vitamin D once again. Okay, so since it is a provitamin, okay, like to convert it to vitamin D, people expose the mushroom to the UV light. Okay, and then you have to consume it. What we have come up is we have prepared some upconversion nanoparticle. Okay, which can take the NIR radiation and convert it to UV radiation, and so this locally available UV can convert the ergosterol to vitamin D.
Researchers at the INST have created tiny discs with high conversion nanoparticles capable of converting near-infrared radiation into UV radiation. These discs are placed inside the mushroom at an equal distance and help in providing enhanced UV radiation to the inner tissues of the mushroom when they are exposed to sunlight. This rapidly converts ergosterol present in them into vitamin D2. These discs will make it easier for the food processing industry to create healthier mushrooms. The innovation can also be used by people in their homes to overcome the deficiency of vitamin D by better conversion of this natural resource.
So vitamin D deficiency is measured in the blood levels using 25 hydroxy vitamin D levels that is taken through blood plasma, and then the deficiency is like checked when the concentration of 25 hydroxy vitamin D in the blood is less than 5 nanograms per ml. So that person is considered to be deficient in the vitamin D. But when we expose and the concentration of the mushrooms, vitamin D in the mushrooms, it is 7 microgram per gram. And when this UCNP upconversion nanoparticles coated disc is inserted into the mushroom, so that concentration it increases up to 25 microgram per gram. So in principle it fulfills the requirement of the day, and only so this will like remove the problem of the vitamin D deficiency worldwide.
The results of this research are published in the journal ACS Biomaterials Science and Engineering. This innovation of Indian scientists, in line with the Make in India initiative, can prove to be very helpful in solving problems like vitamin D deficiency among the general public.